I actually had mold in my crawl space, and I brought over a mold remediator, and they told me that you guys were the best in the business taking care of that. It originally started with mold, but when I had healthy basement systems come in, I found out that in my newly bought home, the sump pump was cut out. I didn't have one at all. Living close to the water, wanted to take care of that. All the way from the beginning, talking to Donna in the office. Donna's great, super friendly, always attentive to any of the problems. Gabriel came over and really, told us what needed to be done and really explained why it needed to be done. I didn't feel like I didn't understand anything about what was going on. So Gabriel was awesome. And then Carlos, the installation was great. Carlos and his crew, they really took care of us. Again, after the whole project was done, brought me into the crawl space, explained everything that they did. So I never felt like I was not educated on anything that was done to my house. After Carlos and his crew were done, they did a really great job of cleaning up everything, making it look like they were never there. And ever since having the sump pump system, no more water problems, no more mold problems. Listened to all the advice that Gabriel and Carlos gave me, and ever since then, we've been good.